Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a quick clean with me. This video was recorded after I put up all my Christmas decorations. So I wanted to go ahead and get all this out the way so I can start organizing. So what I did was I got rid of some furniture, just some little things that I needed to get rid of. That way I can actually buy some more stuff for the new year. Before we get all the way into this video, if you guys are watching the video and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button. There is so much stuff that I have to clean. Sweeping is not my favorite thing, but there is just so many particles on the floor. Having dark floors, I have learned I'm not a fan of, but we will get those changed at a later date. But dark floors just show every single thing. And we also have a dog, so just his paws, just the scratching of my floor, you can actually see that when the sun is shining through that front door. So just lesson learned. Dark floors, I probably won't be doing that anymore. So there was so much stuff on the floor I had to sweep, Swiffer, and vacuum. That's how much stuff was on the floor. And even after that, it still was a lot of stuff on the floor. But I did end up steaming the whole floor, which you guys won't see. I did that after I turned the cameras off. But I did steam the floor, and it got up, a lot of the stuff. If anybody knows what I can do for scratches on my hardwood floors, somebody leave me a message in the comments. I want to kind of hopefully turn the color back to the way it actually looks. I mean, it's not noticeable to the eye when you're looking at it, but I can see it when the sun is shining on the floors in the house. So if you guys know what I can do, leave me a comment. I would be very much interested. So, and I know everybody uses the glass cleaners and all that stuff, which is fine. But for me, I have learned that just using soap and water and a spongy and a squeegee to clean my mirror I love that. I love that ideal. And I got that mirror from Home Goods, if anybody is wondering. As always, you just gotta get it when you see it, and I did that day. I love that mirror, and it is such a statement in the front part of our house. But using a squeegee and soap and water does the trick for me to clean my mirrors in the house. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It was a cloudy day, so the light was going in and out. So sorry about that. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos. Somebody did leave me a comment and they wanted me to do a full house tour. And if you guys would like to see that, I definitely don't mind doing it. Just let me know in the comment section. Also, you guys, let me know what videos you guys would like to see from me. I'm just trying to get some ideas. I got a lot of ideas already, but if you guys are wanting me to do certain videos, just let me know in the comments. And I did get that couch from a place called Home Zone, and it is a local company. I think they're in Oklahoma. They're throughout Texas, if I'm not mistaken, but the company's name is called Home Zone. And that couch is so fluffy and comfortable. It's so funny because we actually have a theater and we still love sitting here in the family room just because that couch is so comfortable. So we do watch a lot of movies down here. And when we have friends over, we usually typically go to the movie theater to watch movies. Now, one thing I do love is vacuuming. I'm not gonna lie. Vacuuming is like, I don't know, meditation to me. I don't know. I just love to vacuum. I don't know if I like the sound. I like the little lines that it leaves in the carpet and just makes everything look clean. But I do love to vacuum. I'm using the broom because all these little nooks and crannies So I'm trying to get all this stuff out of the corners and of everywhere. The clouds are really just really moving, guys. That's why the lighting is so bright, and then you see it kind of darken up because the clouds are just moving outside. When I sweep a lot of times under the couch, I find so many of her toys, her Barbie earrings, her Barbie shoes, just little stuff. She doesn't typically play a lot down here, just when we're down here hanging out. So sometimes she does bring a lot of her toys down here, but she has her own area upstairs where she plays with all her toys. I did upholster those bar stools on my own. I don't have a video on how I did that, but it was actually pretty simple. I just went to Joann's and got some fabric, and I got some of those tabs, and I just kind of stapled it in. I didn't even remove the fabric that was already on there. I just laid it on top, unscrewed the actual seat off the legs, and stapled it together. It actually turned out really good. So I have some befores and after on my Instagram page. So if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, and that way you guys can see some before and afters of just some little projects that I do here and there that I don't actually record, because I do like taking old stuff and making it new.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure.
I'm so happy I got all my Christmas stuff put up. The only thing I have out is those 2 Christmas trees, which I turned into Valentine's Christmas trees. If you guys haven't watched that video, I will put that video card up top here to the right, and you guys can go watch that. I don't know about you guys, but it feels so good to have a clean house. It just puts you in a better mood. And I'm pretty sure it does that for most of you guys. All right, again, guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share my video, like my video. That way it can help this family to grow. I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all you new subscribers. And I am so happy that you guys are taking this journey with me, and I definitely appreciate it.
Further, didn't even notice that it rained
And if you guys are still here, thank you. I appreciate it. Go ahead and stay tuned till the very end, and I will just kind of give you guys an overview of how everything looked when it's all clean and shiny. So again, guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch my video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.